Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to speak and basically elaborate myself in English language because it's been a journey which I'm living and I have started myself from a beginner who are not able to speak fluently in the videos, basically hesitated towards speaking in English basically. So I want to basically remove this fear, and for that I just come here in this platform to record myself and seeing my gesture and like my body language where I'm like what I'm doing basically. So it is a very inspiring journey of myself because I inspired by myself and other peoples as well who have started from the scratch and have built a huge success from focusing on one thing. And my basically priority is to be focus on like uploading one video, 5 minutes of video in every day in English language. So apart from every other works which I've done in my life, in my day basically. So today I have just want to express myself in this video, and what is most important in a youngster who is in 20 to 24 of age, 20s age. So the one thing which I will suggest you that you need to plan first, because if you don't have plan, so you will don't going to work in one thing, and that is what which is very important nowadays because working on some one thing which is very most important, because that is how you've been able to be a productive. Because if you are like searching for new things in every month or year, so you will find very difficult to see your progress, because that is what at the end required. So if you are like focusing on one thing, so it will be very helpful for you to get a fluent or get a result very quickly, because you are able to see basically your mistakes is very easily, and you have not anything to work on. So yeah, this is very important for a beginner or youngster who is in his 18 to 25, because this is the age which if you work this age, you will able to get money in your early 40s as well. If you don't work in this age like 18 to 25, so you need to work rest of your life to basically survive for needs which is you're required. So if you work on this certain age, so you will able to get free financial freedom and lot of freedom very early age. Otherwise it will very difficult. So you can see get a experience from our previous generation as well, where like lot of people's work their lifelong, and they are not able to basically just fulfill their certain needs. So this is how the world's going to be in upcoming days. That is also very difficult. So you need to prepare some sort of skills which can give you a great reward in upcoming years. So yeah, find out like skills which is nowadays are most important, and like what the company's requirements look like. So every year find out like something you want, some sort of new skills you want to learn. So in this year I am basically find out some sort of things which I have basically focusing on. Like reading is my first pure priority, and then other thing is recording myself, and the other thing is listening myself. So currently these are the things which is related to the English, and that is what my majorly focus on. But apart from this, there is lot of things which we need to work on. Every beginner, every millionaire also said that you have a 5 income source for get a financial freedom in your life. So you need to find out that as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. So there is lot of things in upcoming days you will find. So at this note, I am completing this video. I hope you watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye.